Want to change your Google Play Store country without adding a credit card or any payment method? In this video, I will show you a simple way to change your Play Store country. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure the Google account signed in to your Play Store is the same account signed in to Google Chrome. If they are different, switch to the correct Google account just as I am doing now. Don't worry, you can easily switch between Google accounts anytime without having to log in again. Once both Play Store and Chrome are using the same Google account, open the Google Play Store app on your device. Then tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From here, tap on Payments and Subscription. Then select Payment Methods. Next, tap on More Payment Settings. This will automatically open a page in Google Chrome. Once the page loads, tap the three-line menu icon in the top left corner of the screen and select Settings. Here, you will see your current Google Play Store country. To change it, simply tap the pencil icon next to the country name. Next, tap on Create New Profile and then select Continue. Now, choose the country that you want to use in your Google Play Store and tap Continue. On the next page, enter the required information including your address, city, postal code and state if applicable. After filling in all the details, tap Submit. Your new payment profile now been created successfully. Now tap View Profile. As you can see, I now have two payment profiles, my previous country and the new country I just added. The next step is to remove the old payment profile. Before doing that, make sure you first select the new country profile and then switch back to your previous country profile. This step is very important. If you don't switch back to the old profile, Google may automatically keep the new profile selected, and you could end up removing the wrong profile. Once you have switched back, you will see your previous country displayed here. Now, scroll down until you find the Close Payment Profile option and tap on it. Google may ask you to verify your identity by entering your Google account password, device password, or using your fingerprint. After verification, choose any region from the list provided and tap Close Payments Profile. Your old payment profile will then be removed successfully. Now, completely close the Google Play Store from your recent apps or background apps. Then, reopen the Play Store and go to your account settings. Here, as you can see, my Play Store country has successfully changed from United States to Sweden. And that's it. That's how you can change your country in Google Play Store. If this video helped you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.